Bannerman Castle, USA. Picture this, a mysterious castle on a tiny, isolated island in the middle of the Hudson River. Sounds like something out of a fantasy novel, right? But Bannerman Castle is very real, and its story is just as fascinating as its appearance. Built in the early 1900s by Francis Bannerman VI, a Scottish-American arms dealer, this Scottish-style fortress wasn't a royal residence, it was a storage facility for military surplus and explosives. Yeah, you heard that right, a castle for weapons. Bannerman made a fortune buying leftover weapons and ammunition from wars, and he needed a place to store his massive collection. So he purchased Polypal Island and began constructing his dream fortress. But fate had other plans. In 1920, a massive explosion caused by unstable munitions ripped through part of the castle. Then in the 1950s, another disaster struck. A mysterious fire gutted most of the remaining structure, leaving behind the eerie ruins we see today. For decades, Bannerman Castle sat abandoned, battered by time and the elements. But here's the exciting part. Preservation efforts are underway. Tours, boat rides, and even theatrical performances are bringing life back to this forgotten landmark.